Welcome back, guys. Hope this video finds you well. Today I am back again with the new installation scenario for the Wazuh. Uh, Many of you commented on my previous videos that you guys are looking for the distributed installation with 3 nodes, and every node contains single component of Wazuh. What are the components? Wazuh Indexer, Wazuh server, and Wazuh dashboard. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can install this single component on the single node. So without wasting our time, we will go towards the installation. What is the scenario and name and IPs of my nodes are here. For the component Wazuh Indexer, this will be the IP and name. For the Wazuh server or Wazuh manager, this will be the IP. And the third component Wazuh dashboard, name for that node is this, and this is the IP. First we will move towards the Wazuh Indexer node. This is our node. What we are going to do first, we will copy these repos to avoid any issues during the installation. I am installing Wazuh on the Centos 8.5. Let's check for the updates. Okay, this is up to dated. Now move to the step-by-step installation of Wazuh Indexer. Which version we are going to install is 4.7. First we have to download these certificates. Okay, we will move towards installation by one command. Now what we are going to do, we are going to edit this config.yml file. These are the Wazuh indexer nodes. Wazuh indexer. What will be the IP of this node is we have to remove these commas. What will be the name of our Wazuh server? We have named it Wazuh server. What will be the IP? This will be the IP. And what is the name of our dashboard node is this. Okay, let's match this one. Wazuh indexer, this will be the IP. Wazuh server, this is the IP, and what is dashboard, and this is the IP. Okay, control X, press Y, proceed. Now we are going to create certificates. The certificates has been created successfully. We will compress these certificates to import these certificates to the other nodes Wazuh server and Wazuh dashboard. We will install this dependency. Nothing has to do. Now we will add these Wazuh repositories to smoothly continue with our installation. Now we will install Wazuh Index. As you can see, it will take around about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to stop this video to minimize our video duration. As you can see, the download process has been completed. Now it is going to move towards the installation of Wazuh Indexer. Here you can see now installation process is going on. Okay guys, as you can see, this installation process has been completed. Now we will move to another configuration file. Let's type nano network host. Here we are going to set IP address of this node, name of this node, thing. Further we are going to change. Now we will deploy the certificates, name of this node Wazuh Indexer, and copy the remaining certificates and replace this name with the dollar sign node name. We got this. Now run these commands one by one. Now we are going to start these services. The service has been started successfully, as you can see this as well. Okay, check the cluster is initialized or not. Yeah, the cluster has been also successfully started with the single node, because we have only the single node. We are not going to install with cluster of multiple Wazuh indexer or Wazuh server or the Wazuh dashboards. Okay, now we are going to move for the Wazuh server installation on another node. Okay, wait. Okay, for the time being, I am going to close this. No, we are not going to close this. Okay. We will import the Wazuh repositories or add the Wazuh repositories. Now we are going to install Wazuh manager on the Wazuh server node. Okay, wait. Why we got this error? Because we haven't added these CentOS repositories. After adding these repositories, we are not going to face any error during our installation. Okay, now check with the installed Wazuh manager command. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes. Let's stop the video over there to minimize the time. As the downloading process has been completed, now it is installing the Wazuh manager. This setup has been downloaded of 165 MBs. Okay, now check. Now we are going to start this service. Hope so this service will be started successfully. Yeah, the service has been started successfully. Now what is the next step? We are going to install file beat. It will take 4 to 5 seconds, and the download completed and installation is also completed. Download the pre-configured file configuration file for the file beat. We have downloaded it. Now we are going to edit this configuration file. We have installed the file beat and Wazuh server on this node. My bad, guys. The instructions clearly tell us we have to list the Wazuh indexer node IPs over there. So our Wazuh indexer node IP is 192.168.99.5. So I have replaced it. Nothing more we have to do in that configuration file. Now we have to create file bit key store. We have created add the default username password to the secret key store. This username password will be used to access the GUI of Wazuh. Now we will download the alert templates for the Wazuh indexer. We have given the permission. Now install the Wazuh module for the file bit. We have done this. Deploying certificates. How we can deploy that certificate? First we have to move the certificates that we have created on the Wazuh indexer nodes. Those certificates will be used over all nodes. Every time we do not have to create or install new certificates. This is the command. We are going to move the certificates to this node, Wazuh server node. How you can this? We have moved those certificates over here. Now you can proceed with the deployment of these certificates. What is the name of this node? Wazuh server. Copy these all certificates and replace this name with the $sign node name, as we have previously done in the Wazuh indexer node. I hope you guys remember that as well. What now we have simply copy these commands and paste these commands to our CLI. Okay, the certificates, if you are not going to import these certificates, you will face the error while try to deploy these certificates or run these certificates command. You will definitely face the error, so be careful at this step. This file bit service has been successfully started. We have checked it as well. Now check the file bit output, all green, so that's mean our installation process is going as the plan. Now we are going to install Wazuh dashboard on our one of the third node, because we are installing the Wazuh with three nodes. On every node we are going to install single component of Wazuh server, Wazuh indexer on the one node, Wazuh server on another node, and Wazuh dashboard and the on the third node. Again, I am forget to add these repositories to our Wazuh dashboard node. That's why it pop up the error message while we are downloading that particular template. Or what is was it is installing package dependency. It is one of the dependency for the Wazuh dashboard. Okay, let's check with the command again. Now we will face nothing. We will add these repos of Wazuh to our node. Now we are going to install Wazuh dashboard. Let's see how much it takes time to install Wazuh dashboard. Okay, it is going to take 2 or 3 minutes. Let's stop then. The download process of Wazuh dashboard has completed successfully. It has download size of 260 MB, which has been downloaded in almost 2 minutes. The download speed depends on your internet speed. So as you have good internet, the download process will complete as soon as possible. Let's wait for a while for the completion of installation of Wazuh dashboard. The dashboard installation has been completed. Now we will configuring the Wazuh dashboard. What we are going to do here, let's read little instructions. The settings specify the host of Wazuh dashboard server to allow remote user to connect. Set the value to IP addresses or DNS name of the Wazuh dashboard server. The value 0 will accept all the available IP addresses. The URL of Wazuh instances to use for all your queries. The Wazuh dashboard can be configured to connect to multiple Wazuh indexer node in the same cluster. The addresses of the node can be separated by this. We are not going to change this IP. We are just going to add the IP address of our Wazuh indexer over here. Let's replace the localhost with the IP address of our Wazuh indexer node. Now again we are going to move the certificates to our dashboard node. The certificates has been moved. Wait. Okay, I have moved the certificates. Let's check. Yeah, the certificates are imported over successfully. Now we will deploy these certificates. Wazuh dashboard is the name of our Wazuh dashboard. Copy these all certificates and okay, let's remove these. Just replace the Wazuh dashboard as I have already told you guys. The $sign node name done successfully. Now run these commands one by one successfully. certificates has been deployed successfully. Now what we are going to do is we are going to start the Wazuh dashboard service. Let's see, the dashboard service has been started successfully. Yes, the dashboard service has been started successfully. I have checked it with the status command as well. Now what is the next step? Edit this configuration file and replace the URL value with the IP address of host name of Wazuh server master node. We are going to add the IP address of Wazuh server node. What is the IP address of our Wazuh server node? Is it was 192.168.99.6. Let's do this. Control X, Y, press enter. Now how we can access the dashboard? We are going to access Wazuh dashboard with the IP address of our dashboard node. You are going to use the default admin username and password. For the GUI, as I have told you while we are creating the key stores. As you can clearly see how we have installed the Wazuh server with the distributed scenario. I have used 3 nodes in this installation process. On each node I have installed the single components of the Wazuh server. Wazuh indexer on the one node, as I have told you the IP addresses. Wazuh server on another node with the different IP address. Wazuh dashboard on another node with the different IP address. So we have installed Wazuh indexer with 3 nodes. On every node we have installed a single component of the Wazuh, and you can clearly see how this installation process take place as and the logs we have receiving as well. Thank you for watching. Please do comment if you face any error, any query, any question or any error faced during the installation process. I am here to help you, and in future I am going to install Wazuh distributed installation with 2 nodes. In that scenario we are going to install Wazuh indexer and Wazuh server manager and the file bit on one node and Wazuh dashboard on the other node. We are going to install Wazuh on 2 nodes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share my videos to motivate me that I am going to make more informative videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Until then, goodbye. Stay blessed.